You know, it's true what they say. You never really appreciate what you have on your own doorstep. I've always lived within an easy drive of this place, but I've never been. This is the Kenfig National Nature Reserve and is located just outside Porthcawl. Okay, let's not go anywhere unless we've had refreshments. Did you know that the Kenfig Nature Reserve is actually a designated site of special scientific interest? Well, nor did I, but it includes the area of the sand dunes and the Kenfig pool. Actually, this is Glamorgan's largest natural lake. I've learned a bit myself today too. It says that the reserve is home to a wide variety of rare and endangered species of plants and animals. I suppose if you know what you're looking for. Oh, what did I see there? I thought I saw a dolphin.